Hi, my name is Yaniv and I will talk about the Teleguard clip. How would you like to know if your property is protected? Would you like to get a phone call or a text message every time someone is dealing or touching your property? It could be anything. It could be your motorcycle, your car, your boat, your garage, anything. Would you like to be able to listen or tap the entire area where your property is located without no one even to know you're listening to them? If you've answered yes to all these questions, then I would like to present you with the Teleguard clip. The Teleguard clip is a small electronic device that becomes a professional alarm system and also a tapping device once attached to a cell phone. Once configured, the Teleguard clip will initiate a phone call every time it will sense even the smallest and tiniest movement in the clip. Let's see how it works. Just plug the clip into the cell phone. See how easy it is? And that's it. After done that, the LED will start blinking for several seconds to allow you to position the cell phone and set the alarm. Once the LED will stop blinking, the alarm is set. That's it, the alarm is set now. Now let's move the clip. As you can see, even the tiniest movement will activate the alarm. The LED will then start blinking for several seconds and will dial to your predefined number. In this demonstration, it will be the number of this cell phone. I'll shut it down. After sending a call, the system will enter an idle mode. During this time, the system will not be sensitive to any movement and will wait for your call. You can dial from any number. When dialing the number of the cell phone with the clip, it will automatically answer the call with no ringing, so no one will know you're listening to them. Configuring the clip to dial a predefined number is very easy and is done only once. You can also configure the clip sensitivity. We also have a model that can be activated or deactivated using a simple dial from any number. Now I will show you how I protect my motorcycle with the Teleguard clip. I have placed the Teleguard clip in a hidden place in the motorcycle, and now every movement of the motorcycle will initiate a call to my cell phone. Let's see. As you can see, the LED is blinking, which means the Teleguard clip will initiate a call to my cell phone in several seconds. You can place it under the seat or any other hidden place in the bike, everywhere you think of. That's it, got a call from my motorcycle. See how easy it is?